I wanted to do a quick update on the renovations in my facility in Danbury. So here it is. As you can see, we went with a lighter color. I really like it. It brightens up the mood a lot compared to the darker colors we used to have. The only thing we haven't done yet is the carpet and the tile outside. We'll be changing both of those things very soon. And just so you know, we are open doing renovations. This is one of the rooms. And for those of you who are not familiar with the way we work here, everything is one-on-one. So in each room, it will be just you and the trainer, nobody else. That's one side, and this is the other side. This room here, we do private yoga and private kickboxing, if you're into that. And back here is another fully equipped room. Now, our goal, besides to help you get a good workout while you're here, is to help you make exercising a habitual behavior. And also, if you need help with your eating habit, we can help you with that too.